So we are already covered the portion of MCQ. Yesterday I taught you, Monday I taught you about kinetic energy and work and relation. So that is the portion of your MCQ from this chapter work. Now what I'm going to teach you now, that is not the part of your MCQ. That is potential energy onwards. So before I start potential energy, little more is left from this part of kinetic
page
energy.
Number.
Page number. In the WhatsApp, yesterday ma'am has sent the timetable to you. In that portion, everything is given.
Yes, ma'am.
Text page number.
Text page number, now I can't remember. It was 140 or 40 or something. Just.
And that is the problem now.
Eh?
Problems of that kinetic energy.
Last page. What are you talking about? Which page?
And that you give yesterday one problem that no.
That is not the problem. It is a derivation. Okay, that's not a problem.
Okay.
And sorry. Okay, I got it, Visan. I forgot. Second problem. Okay. I got it. I was remembering what I was teaching yesterday. Which problem it was? Last one. Can you read, Fisan? Because
how much energy is required?
Okay. We go back. We go to that one. Clear. Okay. How much answer you all got? Yesterday Monday I told you to do one problem. How much answer you got, children? Fisan remembered? No, tell me that problem. The last question. How much
energy is required to accelerate
1000 kg car from rest to
30 meter per second. Assuming no friction.
No friction. Okay. So can you explain, Fizan, how
equation K
is equal to 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me change. Wait. So you have mass 1000 kg. Okay. Velocity 30 meter per second. Okay. Now you tell.
Equation K is equal to 1 by 2 mv square.
Half mv square. Okay. Then half into
is equal to half into 1000 into 30.
30 square.
30 square.
So 2 and 1000. You can divide 2 with 1000. What answer you will get? 1000. Half of the 1000. What it is there? Everyone.
500.
Yes. Anyone can do. Not only Fizan. 500 into 30 square. 30 square means how much is the 30 square? Anyone can give me answer. No problem.
90.
Only 90. 30 square.
900.
900. It's not 90. It is a square. Correct. Now total what you will get, children?
1000.
You have to only multiply with the 9 into 5 and then you can add the zeros with that.
4,500.
45,000.
45,000. Correct. 45,000. Okay. So 45,000 joule. You can stop your calculation here. Even you give me this answer, I'll give you marks. But one more technique I will show you. Because in physics, you cannot... In physics, you may be getting big numbers after doing that. So in that cases, it is not possible for us to write 45 0 0 0 0 0 like that. So in physics, what is the easy method? What they do? How many zeros are there? We can make that zeros in terms of powers of 10. I hope you are 9, no? Ma'am must be teaching about powers, exponential, all that. So in this, we can write
your camera is off.
Okay. Maybe my chudidar is touched, I think. Okay, shall we go? So, this is correct answer. I agree. And in physics, there is another method. Instead of writing 0, 0 like that, we can make all the zeros in the powers of 10. For example, here how many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means these 4 zeros, you got it by multiplying 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
That is how you are getting 4 zeros. Very important, children, because you are going to 10th standard. So we will be using these methods like that. So 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 means how many 10 for 10. So you can write it instead of writing 10,000, you can just write it like this. 10 to the power of 4. So 10 to the power of 4 means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So your answer you can change into 45 into 10 to the power of 4 joule. Okay? And why we need to convert? Suppose we have to again divide this answer with something else. Okay? So in that case, for example, 45 into 10 to the 4, we have to divide with the 5. So in this case, you don't have to mind this 10 to the power of 4. You only have to divide this. And you got the answer. It is going to be 9. Correct? So you can just write in physics answer like this. That means you don't have to multiply this 10 to the power of 4 and then give me answer. Give me in physics. It's in physics. Okay. This part, how many zeros are there? That's a part of max. In physics, since we are getting so many powers, you can write it like that. So you don't have to do this part. You only write this, and other part you just write like this. Okay? I hope you understood.
And point
Similar-
it. Point it.
I tell you. Let me complete with the whole number. First you understand whole number, then we got the decimal. Clear? Wait. Similarly, if you have 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So what you have to do? Count how many tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this you can write it in physics like 10 to the power of 6. Okay. Therefore, you can write the answer 25 into 10 to the power of 6 or 334 into 10 to the power of 9 like that. So if I give you 10 to the power of 9 means what does it mean? 10 into 10 into 10 up to 9 times. So in physics, you may get big answer like that. I think last chapter gravitation, we got like this something. So in that case, I did not teach you how we can get the powers. So I think this is clear to you, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Cameras
This
off.
is clear to you. This is
Yes,
simple,
ma'am.
no? Okay. Okay. I'll give you 1, 2, 3 problems. Then you
And your camera is off.
you write. Then afterwards, I go to the decimal because decimal again studio is some problem with this. Camera has loose contact. Okay. Hmm. Cannot start video. 1 minute, children. Let me resume. Do something related like this. Then we will go to the next one. Okay.
Okay.
So right. I'll give you 2, 3 numbers. You write in terms of powers. Okay. First one. So you write. I am teaching you maths during physics. That's what I'm doing. Write in powers of 10. Because these are not very necessary in physics. Write in powers of 10. So number 1. Just count the numbers, okay? Count the numbers of zeros and you please write the powers. Okay, I think this much enough. Now you will understand how to write powers. When you write, please count the zeros and then write. Otherwise, you will make a mistake.
Am I got?
Okay, Fizan, wait, let others also write. Hope everyone completed the symbol one, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Tell me what happened.
we need to count 0 and
Those zeros you have to make into the studio.
can you tell one more?
You will understand while we answer these questions. Okay, Maria and all, yes, your PPT is supposed to go to Rosmi ma'am. Correct. Okay, shall I? Okay, those who did not understand, look at the pep. Fizan, you can tell me because you are the first person who told completed. Can you tell me the answer for the first one?
And 10 raised to
10 raised to
power of 8.
1, 2. So those who did not understand what I told you, only zeros you can write it in the powers of 10. So according to that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Fizan, what is 10 to the power of?
8.
8. Yes. Now, the person who did not understand, who is that? Because I didn't see the face. Can you tell me? Now you understood, I hope. Can you tell me the answer for the second one?
10 to the power of 8.
That's first one. Now in this, 36 is there. So how do you write this entire answer?
36 to the power of 8.
36 into
36
into
into the power of 8.
Power of 8. Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
1,
Yes, ma'am.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 36 into 10 to the power of 8. So your answer is going to be more simple. Similarly, Lena, can you tell me the third one? Lena?
24 into 10 to the raise of 10.
10 to the power of
1, 2,
10.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
10 to the power of 10.
10.
Okay, children? So when you write physics answer, suppose it is in meter, you should write meter. Suppose this is in joule, you have to indicate the unit also. Because we are not learning maths, we are learning physics. Now suppose this is in Faraday. Faraday is the electricity unit. So it is 24 into 10 to the power of 10 farad. So like that. Okay. So physics, when you write the answer, you also have to indicate the SI unit. That is the only difference. I hope you understood this one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now next one. How can we write like this? For example, 4.5 into 10 to the power of 6, 3.5 into 10 to the power of 6, like that. How this will come? 3.5 in that. So I will take the same example. Let us take the second example because it has 36. You can write the same answer another way also. So already you got it, 36. So you can write it. You can write the heading, answer in decimals. Answer in decimals. My video off again? No. You can write it now. Answer in decimals. So for that, we can take it the first one. First one, not first one. You can take it this number, 36. So you write once again that below, you write once again that number so that you will understand. Answer in decimals. First one, 36. Same one. Okay, so you will get 36 into 10 to the power of 8. Now, you want to write this answer in decimals. What we do? Decimal means, usually you know, if you multiply a 36 with 10, what answer you will get? Multiply now, divide 36 divided by 10. What answer you will get? What you have learned in maths? Suppose if the denominator is 10 or 1000, what you have learned in maths? Do you go and directly you go and divide 10 with the 36? Is that you have studied?
Yes, ma'am.
You have not studied any other tricks? Huh? No. Okay. So I teach you a trick for on the point of physics. Suppose if this 10 is, this is in multiplication format. Suppose a 10 or 100 or 1000. If it is in the denominator, instead of going for this long division, what we do, simple one, look how many zeros are here. Listen carefully. This is also helpful for in maths also. How many zeros are there? 1 0. So
One.
what we will do? We shift first digit to right. Then you put the decimal over there. Are you getting me one point? So what you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose
Yes, ma'am.
denominator are the powers of 10. Powers of the 10, what you will do? You will look how many zeros. And according to that, you shift the first digit to the right, and between that you put a decimal. Those who have doubt, you just do long cut method. You will get the same answer, 3.6. There is no doubt about it. Okay. So your answer is going to be 3.6. So 36 by 10 is 3.6. Similarly, 36 by 100. How many powers here? 2 powers, no? 1 powers means 2 zeros. So how many digits you have to shift to the right?
2.
Two.
So
Two
when you
zero.
shift right, you will get the answer 0.36. You don't have to go for long cut method at all. This is easy
Yes,
tricks
ma'am.
for physics. Suppose it is 1000. Again, 1000 means powers of 10 is 3.
3.
Now, how many digits you have to shift?
0.03.
Because we have only
3.
we have only 2 digits on the numerator. So for the third digit, what you will do? You put
0.
0.036. Even you don't write 0 point, no problem. You just write 0.036 enough. Similarly, 36 by powers of 10. How much is your answer is going to be?
0.0.
0036.
0036.
Yes, it's max. But suppose this is given in meter, you have to write meter. Suppose it is Newton, in physics, you have to write this much Newton. That is the one. Clear? Now, I hope you understood everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can I give you some examples for that? Then we will go to physics. So you only write this, okay?
Okay.
Yes, please do it. Oh, shifted. First one, 45 divided by. Okay, shifted. If I touch, everything will go. So I don't touch. Okay. Hmm? All completed? Eva completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Thinking something. Nothing to think, no? Only just.
Ma'am,
So,
first one go.
Third question.
okay. Eva will give me answer, okay?
First one I got
Fizan, you give me a lot of answers, no? Let me give chance to others. Now, Iva will give me the answer. After Iva, Nihal will give me answer. After Nihal, Roshan will give me answer. Because this is maths, but we have to use a lot in physics.
Math.
Hmm. Iva, can you tell me first to answer, please? 45 by 1 lakh.
Answer.
Iva, I want from Iva answer. Okay, you tell me. Tell me, Iva, fast. You have to shift how many zeros, how many decimals, Iva? At least that you tell me. You count. Huh? Are you saying?
3.
Wait. I think your audio is weak. Iva, come closer and then give me. Take your mic and then. Other you put in the chat box. Okay. So shall I ask you the next person? Who was that? Nihal? Are you there? Where are you? Nihal? I saw him. Left up. Nihal left. Yes, Nihal, I am asking you a question. I can't see him. Okay, Roshan, you tell me what's the answer. Faster.
No, I didn't understand the rule.
Children, just
20.
no, you just give me that number. After doing what answer you got, give me. Only that I wanted.
Can I say?
0 point.
0 point.
4.
Ma'am, can I say?
No, Fizan, wait. Because I know you understood, but there are people. 0 point 0,
0.
0. Then
2 4.
no, I want first
45.
one.
45.
45.
0.0045.
45.
One more 0 you require or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 0, 4. Correct? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0.00045.
45.
Okay. Now tell me the second one, Roshan.
0 0.
No. Second one, 24,567. How many zero? Tell me. Some girl. Iva, you are saying? Or someone who is saying? Ashna, you tell me.
24.5.
24.567. Yes, correct, Ashna. Okay. Rachel Bourbon, can you tell me the last one, Rachel? 345 by, again, 1 lakh. 0 point, what do you get the answer?
0.00345.
Correct. Anyone did not understand what I am doing? You only have to look how many zeros. According to that, you shift the digits on the numerator to the right.
And my second one 0 is not there.
Because second one, look at the number, my dear.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
many? It's a big number, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
24,567 divided with 1,000. It has only 3 zeros. Then why you have to add another 0? You just shift first, second, third. First 3 digits shift to the right.
Okay.
Similarly, you have a big number like this, 5, 6, 8, 9. Suppose it is only 100. What is your answer is going to be?
925 point.
No.
0.025.
No. Number. Look at the numerator. How many digits?
255.
Uh,
6.8.
6.89. Correct? Yes.
Yes.
Why we are adding 0 if there is not enough digits on the numerator? Correct? In 345, you have only 3 digits. But powers are given 5. So you have to do that much. You have to shift that much. Correct? That's what we are doing. Anyone who did not understand, I will give you more problems if you want. Tell me now, Frank, because next class I won't be teaching maths. because this is required for us. Correct, Rohan? Yes? You want more examples like this? First one, I know it is very easy since it is a product. But second one is the denominator. So in maths also, children, you don't have to waste your time. 245 divided by 1000 as a long cut method. Just count the numbers in the denominator and just shift to the numbers. If it is not enough, add zeros to the from left to right. Okay. Okay. One. I think you are not okay with it. I will give another example. Okay. Number one, I'll give you 5 by yes, it's 2 is enough. Look at the numerator digit, look at the number, powers, zeros, and then you shift according to that.
Finish.
I'm finished.
Can you tell me?
Zero, 0.5.
This zero is not counted in this zero. Okay. This is, we have to use. This zero is not counted in that. You only counting from point onwards. Okay. Point. Tell me. Zero.
0, 0.
0, 0, 0. How many zeros? 6 zeros. How many digits in numerator? You have only 1 digit. Above 2 more 0. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are getting answer this much. Correct? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we got the last one?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me last one.
9.9.
0.9. Correct. Because you have only one power. Now you understood. If there is not enough digits, what you have to do? If there are more digits, what you have to do? Clear? Are you okay with both? So what is this, children, then? How do you write this answer? 25,000, tell me again in powers of 10, because I am just revising, because then only I can go to the next step. That's why. Give me the answer for 25,000. How can we write in terms of powers? 25,000. How can you write in terms of powers?
20.
25 into
10.
10 to the power of
3.
3.
So this is product, correct? Why it is product? Because this is only denominator, nothing is there. Zeros and everything. It is a multiples of, we can say this is a multiples of 10. This number 25,000 is a multiples of 10. Correct? 25 into 1000 times. That's the meaning, 1000. But this is, we are dividing the digit with the powers of 10. That's it. That's the difference between this and this. So if it is this, you can directly write, suppose if there are 10 zeros, you can directly write 25 into 10. Similarly, if it is, so we will have both simultaneously, then you will see the difference between both. Okay. So if you just take it, 25,000, 25, you can write it as 25 into how much? Tell me.
10.
10 to the power of 6. 6. Very good, very good. Now, if I am going to give like this, what is going to be your answer?
25 raised to 6.
25 into 10.
25 raised to 6.
Raised to 6,
10.
25. This is now, this is how, this is what?
0, 0.
0,
0, 0.
point 0, 0, 0,
0.
0,
0.
again 0. How many zeros we have?
5.
2, 5. Now you see the difference between this one and this one, correct? 25 into 10 to the power of 6 or 0.0025. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And next class, I'll teach you, instead of writing this, we can write another way also. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
That I'll teach you. Others, everything together you may not have. So we will learn little maths, then we go to physics. Okay. So MCQ portion I completed. We have only one more portion, two more portion, power and potential energy. Okay. Then only we can finish the chapter. But this important chapter, 10th standard also, we have this continuation. So that's what I am giving more time to this chapter. Clear? Okay. Thank you.